How long can the appeal process take? It should take a while because after an appeal is filed, then there is a certain amount of time in which the appellant, which is the person filing the appeal, has to provide the appellant court clerk with a record. And this is basically transcripts of everything that happened at the trial level, and also copy of all the evidence that was presented. Now, that process could take quite a bit of time. Once the case is actually ready and the record is sufficient, at that point, the appellate court clerk will send out a briefing schedule. The appellant then has the opportunity or is required to file a brief, which is basically a written memorandum as to why they feel that their appeal has merit. Once that is filed, then the state, or generally somebody from the Attorney General's office, has the opportunity to file its own brief. And then, after that brief is received, the appellant then has the opportunity to file what's called the reply brief, basically responding to the state's brief. And after all the briefs have been received, then at that point, the matter is generally scheduled for oral argument. And that process, start to finish, just at the appellate level, can take upwards of a couple of years. That's not unusual. Generally, there's about a 90-day period before the court actually issues a written decision. And then, at that point, the losing party has the opportunity to ask this Connecticut Supreme Court to review the case, and then you start the process all over again. So these appeals can take several years. To contact Attorney Jonathan Sills, call 800-608-6636 or visit his website at www.ctcriminallawattorney.com.